With a soothing color palette, luxurious fabrics, and just a touch of glam, our new master bedroom suite is our perfectly styled rest haven. I absolutely love it when a plan comes together, and this room was a labor of love from start to finish. The serene feel all starts with a color palette. I chose warm neutrals and used rich fabrics and lots of texture throughout the space. The edge-comb gray walls provide the backdrop and are offset with cream window panels with a slight hint of a gold metallic finish, which shows beautifully in the evenings. The drapes accent wall-to-wall windows with a stunning view of a nature preserve and a peaceful pond, and makes for the perfect sitting area to enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine in the evenings. I have a great story about this beautiful 6-arm chandelier in the center of the room, and I decided to remove the table lamps and added the matching mini pendants for the perfect touch of romance. I've been watching these pieces for quite some time, and I scored on Facebook Marketplace. I'll have all the details on the blog for you. A small touch of lighting even illuminates the bottom of this bachelor's chest, which offers a rustic charm and a masculine and timeless silhouette. There's also plenty of drawer space for his side of the room. And on her side, a casual nod to the elements of Italian, French, and Belgian architecture. And both sides also offer charging stations on the back that are within arm's reach, perfect for those nighttime plugins. The touch button activates or deactivates underlighting. And the duvet, oh my goodness, it evokes a feeling of luxury and serenity at the same time. It's embroidered with metallic gold stitching and has a 100% cotton sateen finish for the perfect amount of shine. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching and following along during this entire DIY series. It was a lot to put it all together, especially with the lack of availability with products and having to change things around because of deliveries and canceled deliveries. Everything still came out really exactly how I envisioned it in my mind. I'll have all of the product details that are available over on the blog at themillionairehouse.com. And I'm also hosting a small giveaway just to say thank you to those of you who have been following along. So just by leaving a comment below, anyone who's subscribed to the channel, the first 100 comments will be entered into a drawing for giveaway for this book called She Made Herself a Home. It's a beautiful coffee table book by a friend named Rachel, and inside there's a little bonus because our family and home are actually featured in the book. So there are lots of different styles, beautiful, beautiful images that will hopefully inspire you in some way. And inside will also be tucked away a small gift card, Visa gift card, just in case you like something you saw in our room that you may want to order. So I hope you enjoy that also. As always, thank you guys so much for following along. I'm actually about to get started on fall, believe it or not. So I'm gonna go get busy with that. Thanks so much, love and peace.